my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He makes me lie down in pastures green and still. He guides me in righteousness according to His will. Even when the valley is covered by the night, I will fear no evil, for You are by my side. You are my shepherd, You are my peace, You are the one who watches over me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort my heart. Jesus, my shepherd, I trust who You are. You prepare a table before my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. Your blessing covers me. My cup is overflowing. Your mercy follows me. Your goodness is my portion all eternity. Surely goodness, surely mercy
shall follow me,
all of my days,
and I will dwell
in the house of the Lord forever.
there and ever.
I will give You praise. You are my shepherd. You are my peace. Oh, You
are the one
who watches over me. Your love surrounds me. Your grace has made me whole. Oh, Jesus, my shepherd, You restore my soul. In Your house forever, in Your presence I will stay. The Lord is my shepherd. Now and always, to You be all the glory forever.